Hi Stampers, I'm Jill Olsen and I've been a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator for 30 years. If you're watching my videos, we post a video every Wednesday. If you have never seen them before, make sure you subscribe and see more of our upcoming videos. I'm going to talk to you about our Designer Series paper. We actually have a special coming out July 1st through the 31st, and it is buy 3 packets, get 1 free. To see the select list of packets, go to stampinjill.com and it will list those packets. I'm going to show you our DSP called Petal Promenade. It's amazing. I love the florals and the slight background. It almost looks like marble, different colors of marble. But then the florals are so bright and beautiful. And our ribbons that coordinate with them are this petal pink and this berry burst ribbon. This is a shimmer ribbon right here, and it's got a shimmery to it, and this also has got the metallic edge, the silver. And I'm also using on these cards are metallic pearls. They're gold and silver, 273 pieces. It's a great value, and it really adds a pop to your cards when you use pearls. Okay, with this paper, you receive these right here. These are the different designs. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. So these on the back, that one is the white design, and this one's more of a copper type of a fabric design. So these are cutouts. So if you notice, you can cut them out. You can use a framelit to cut them out in a circle, but I really like the way that when you cut them out, just fussy cutting. Let me show you some cards that we've done with that. Okay, this is Call for Celebration stamp set, and we use these two sayings, so thank you so much, and we just fussy cutted that. This one we just went ahead right up to the edge of the flowers and pre-cut that, and the square. So if you notice on those cuts, on the die cuts right here, you have the edges of 2 edges right here, 1 right here, but these are all on that one, the 2 pages. So you'll get 2 of this one and 2 of this one. Okay, let me go ahead and show you some more. This stamp set is called the Stitched All Around stamp set. It's got some great sayings. I love this one, enjoy your special day. And this one we just used the thank you, and this kind of looks like a seed packet. I love how Aubrey cut this, and I just imagine that's what a seed packet would look like, but that's done with that stamp set. Then one of my favorite stamp sets with this actual Designer Series paper is the Friendly Expressions. Happy to know ya, life is tough, but so are you. Congratulations to you, thanks for all you do, and you make me proud. I know that this is going to be one of my favorite stamp sets. I went ahead and used the metallic pearls with this, and basically just cut all my Designer Series paper just 4 by 5 1/4, and use the big pieces on the back. If you notice on all these it's that way. And then I just use the saying, and usually just a strip of something. So just one way. This way we went ahead and did it. So it opened like that. And you make me proud. Life is tough, but so are you. Don't you love these florals? Oh, they're amazing. So that's really what this video is all about, is showing you how wonderful our Designer Series paper is and letting you know about the sale. So remember, if you purchase 3, you get 1 free. Go to stampinjill.com to find out the list of selected papers. So if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to answer them, so just don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Watch It Weekly Wednesday.